The next example we've got, or simulation we've done, is just sort of a range test. This is a 200-meter run into a shaft station and a return. It is a line of sight, meaning that there is no corners that we went around here. But again, we just wanted to make sure that this feature was fully functional. So we're going to fly to the shaft station, do a little inspection, and then return. We also, as part of this simulation, flew a secondary ERD unit in tandem. They're not connected or communicating in any way. There's two pilots flying together. We wanted to be able to capture some different perspectives and give you a better sense of positioning and size, things like that. In this example, we did allow for some higher airflow, and you'll see momentarily that the unit will dip down. It's a normal response to the change in airflow. So here you can see the other drone that's running in tandem with this unit, and in a minute you'll see this unit kind of blip down and drop, and there you go, right there, and which is normal. It responds to that air change, and essentially the pilot can fly back to the LZ. I think in a second you'll see the other drone kind of whiz by. They're sort of buzzing each other a little bit here as they return. And this gives you a little bit of a perspective on size. You can see these are fairly small units, easy to operate, and certainly expendable in the act of responding to an emergency.